In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment forms in WordPress. We'll move step by step so you can add a simple, secure way for visitors to pay you right from your site. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to follow the built-in prompts that guide you through the setup. Start by opening your WordPress website in a browser. Once you're on your site dashboard or viewing your site while logged in, go to Edit Site. This takes you into the visual editor where you can work on the page or section where you want your payment form to appear. Think about the best spot for your visitors, near a product description, below a service explanation, or on a dedicated payments page, so the flow feels natural. Inside the editor, click the plus icon. This opens the block inserter, which is WordPress's way of letting you add new elements to a page. In the search field that appears, enter PayPal. You'll see a PayPal option show up. Click it to add the PayPal payment element to the page. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account to get your payment button code. This is a small snippet PayPal generates that tells WordPress what to show and how to process the payment. Log in securely through the prompt and follow the instructions PayPal provides to create or retrieve the button code you need. Keep your account details private and only enter them on the official PayPal window you're shown. Now follow the prompts on your screen to create your payment forms. You'll typically be asked to choose the type of payment button or form you want, such as a Buy Now button, a one-time payment, or a donation, and to set important details like the item or service name, the price, and the currency. Many setups also let you adjust the button text and basic styling so it matches your site's look. Use a clear label so visitors know exactly what they're paying for, and double-check the amount and currency for accuracy. When the prompts finish, WordPress places the PayPal payment form or button where you inserted it. Make sure it reads clearly on the page and sits in a spot that makes sense for your visitors. If you need to fine-tune wording or layout, you can return to the editor and adjust the surrounding text for clarity. And that's it. You opened your WordPress website, went into Edit Site, used the plus icon to add PayPal, logged in to get your payment button code, and followed the on-screen prompts to create your payment form. You're ready to accept payments right on your site.